here for this evening's farewell function.
Thank you, Master of Ceremonies, the President of Fiji Football Association, Mr. Rajesh Patel, the Chairman of Administrators for Batown Council and Latoka City Council, Mr. Anil Amin, our good friend, Brother Farid, the head coach and the management officials, the national team members, parents, brothers, sisters, ladies and gentlemen. Bula Vinaka and a very good evening to you all. It has been a very busy week for me, but that wasn't going to stop me from being here this evening to pass on the government's well wishes to the Fiji national football team as you depart to Qatar and prepare to represent our country at the FIFA World Cup 2022. As His Excellency the President of Fiji shared with all of you a few days ago, and this is what he had to say. You are Fiji's ambassadors, and you carry the hopes of every Fijian when you participate on and off the field. Personally, I do not doubt that you have put in the sheer hard work and preparation leading up to the games. And I hope you all will remember the words of His Excellency the President. The competition you will face there will be at another level. You will be competing on one of the grandest stages in sports against the best of the best in world of football. Winning will only come through teamwork and sacrifice, as your president has just mentioned. And there will be no glory unless you reach out and take it for the team and for your beloved country. The pressure will be on from the moment you leave our shores. And be rest assured that the whole nation will be beside you every game until you return. If you need motivation, look to our rugby brothers and sisters who have made waves and accomplishment, goals through hard work and sheer determination. And I believe you all have that same ability and the passion within you all to make the same for Fiji football. As your coaches may have reiterated, every now and then we demand success from the teams and nothing less. That is the ultimate goal and is the only goal as the government has contributed to the sports development and elite team competition. It is only right that we set the goal high to reap success. We expect you to play together, as your president has highlighted. It is very important. It has to be a teamwork. No one-upmanship. Otherwise you will fail. It has to be a teamwork. And we expect you to show sportsmanship of the highest degree on and off the field. When you wear your jerseys and take the field, you take on the legacy of sporting excellence, and it stretches back generations. In the days ahead, put your trust in your coaches and in each other to prepare yourselves for this opportunity. On behalf of the Fijian government and every Fijian, I want to wish you all well and well. I also wish to take this opportunity to thank all partners and our very good sponsor, very good friend of Fiji Football, for their valuable contribution which has assisted in preparing this team. I wish the players, the delegates, the team officials a safe journey Vinaka, and thank you.